In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix taskbar freezing and start menu bug in Windows 11. First, restart Windows Explorer because this reloads the desktop shell that controls the taskbar and start menu. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a compact view, switch to the full view so you can access the list of processes. Stay on the Processes tab and scroll through the list until you find Windows Explorer. Click Windows Explorer once to select it. Then go to the top right and click Restart Task. You can also right-click Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Your screen may briefly go black for a moment. Then the desktop, taskbar, and start menu will reload. Once everything comes back, the taskbar should be responsive again. Next, repair system files using SFC and DISM. This checks Windows for corrupted files and repairs the image used by the operating system. Right-click the Windows button on the taskbar. In the menu that opens, click Terminal Admin. If the user account control prompt appears, click Yes. In the terminal window, type the command carefully. Type SFC, then a space, then /scannow. So the full command is SFC/scannow. Press Enter. The scan will begin and show a progress percentage as it checks all protected system files and repairs any corrupted ones it finds. This process takes a few minutes to complete, so wait until it finishes and displays the final result. When the scan is done, it will tell you whether it found and fixed any issues. After the SFC scan finishes, run the next repair command shown on your screen, or pause and copy it from the pinned comment. Then press Enter. This starts the DISM restore process. Let it run all the way through. It also takes a few minutes, and during that time you will see a progress bar as Windows checks and repairs the system image. When the process is complete, look for the message saying the restore operation completed successfully. After that, restart your PC. If the issue is still there, re-register the Start menu and taskbar components to PowerShell. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape again to open Task Manager. At the top, click Run New Task. In the box that appears, type PowerShell. Then check the box for Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. An elevated PowerShell window will open. Paste the re-register command shown on your screen, or pause and copy it from the pinned comment, then press Enter. Let the command finish running completely. While it runs, you may see some red error messages in the window. That is normal here and usually means some packages are already properly registered. Wait until PowerShell stops processing and returns control. Then close the PowerShell window and restart your computer. After the restart, the Start menu and taskbar components will have been freshly registered and should work correctly. Now check for Windows updates because Microsoft has released patches that directly address taskbar freezing and start menu bugs in Windows 11. Press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Windows Update. At the top right, click Check for Updates. Windows will search for available updates. If updates appear, click Download and Install. Allow Windows to download and install everything that is available. If you are prompted to restart, click Restart Now to finish applying the updates. After applying these fixes, the Windows 11 taskbar should respond normally when you click it. The Start menu should open when you click the Start button or press the Windows key. System tray icons like Wi-Fi, volume, and the clock should also be interactive again. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the problem was caused by corrupted system files or missing updates, it should not come back after the restart. That covers the full process for fixing taskbar freezing and the Start menu bug in Windows 11.